Welcome children to the lab of Isis Narvapahar. The aim of the experiment is to demonstrate the difference in rate of transpiration between upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Now what do we mean by transpiration? Now transpiration means that is the loss of excess water from the leaves through stomata in the form of water vapor. This process is known as transpiration process. So the materials required are, one is the potted plant, so I have kept it outside, and then the filter paper, then a scissor is required, a beaker is required, then this is the cobalt chloride, this you can see, this is the cobalt chloride. Here I have taken the water. These are two petri dishes I have taken, then this is one forceps, then two clips I have taken, then here two slides I have taken. Okay. So these are the materials required. Now come to the procedure part. First you take one filter paper and then you cut it into strips. Okay. So like this, you cut it into strips. So now you can see here I have cut into 3 strips. Now what I will do, now these strips, now I will make it little smaller. You can see here I will make it little smaller. So always try to take, whenever you are preparing the strips, you always try to take of the same size. So this is how I have prepared these strips. Okay. Now next thing, this cobalt chloride, this powder is there, the salt is there. Now this salt I have taken here in the beaker. Now I am going to add water. After adding the cobalt chloride salt here and water, now you have to prepare a solution here. This solution is your cobalt chloride solution. Now your solution is ready. Now this solution, you take the petri dish and now in this petri dish you pour it. Now after this, now whatever these strips are you have prepared, now dip these strips inside this solution. After dipping inside this cobalt chloride solution, now you take out the strips and place it in the next petri dish. Now you see this one become pink in color. Now I am placing it here. Always remember, whatever the excess solution will be there, those solutions should be drained out, okay, or you have to remove with the help of this filter paper like this. And then allow it for drying. So better if possible you keep it towards the sunlight so that it can dry faster, and you have to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, or 3 to 5 minutes is enough. So I have placed here towards the sunlight, okay, and I left it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now in the potted plant I have chosen this particular leaf. Now what I will do, I will wipe this leaf, okay, with the help of the filter paper. You can also use the cotton to wipe it, so that you have to make the leaf dry. Now what you will do, now you have to pick up this strip. Now you look at this strip. This strip was when we have put in that cobalt chloride solution, at that time it was pink in color. Now it has become little bit bluish type in color, okay. Now after drying, now this type of strip, now of the same size I am taking the next also. So 2 strips I have taken. Now these 2 strips, what I will do, now I will hold this leaf. Now this is the upper side of the leaf. Now in the upper side of the leaf I am placing this strip, and then I am placing the slide. Now I am turning it to this side. This is the lower side of the leaf. Now in the lower side of the leaf, there also again I am placing the strip, and same way here also I am putting the cover slip, the slide. Now the clips. Now here I am putting one clip this side, one more clip I am putting to the other side. Now in this way I have done, okay. Now what you are going to observe, now you have to observe this blue color strip, it should turn into pink. If you can see here the lower side of the leaf, here you can see the strip, the blue color strip which we have placed here, now it is changing to pink, okay. But whereas the upper side where the blue strip I have placed, you see the color has not it started changing, but it is going very slow, whereas the lower side you see how it is very fast, it is changing. So what does it mean? That the rate of transpiration is faster in the lower side of the leaf in comparison to the upper side of the leaves. Understood? And here why this thing is happening? Because the lower side of the leaf, there the number of stomata is more in comparison to the upper side of the leaf. So that's why the lower side you are finding the rate of transpiration is more you are finding, okay. So this is all about your experiment. Now the next is the that is precaution part. Now what are the things you will take care during this practical? One is, whenever you are choosing a plant, you try to choose a plant where you will find that the plant will have a good well watered plant should be there, good leaves will be there. Okay, so like this type of leaves should be there, you try to choose that type of plant. Now second is the strips which I have chosen here. You can see the strips, you will always choose the same size and you place it both the sides in the same position. Now the next thing is that whenever you are choosing the leaf, before starting this practical, you wipe it with the cotton and make it dry. Okay, this is the third point that you have to take care here. And fourth point is never do during the rainy season. This experiment you try to do in other season but not in the rainy season. So this is what all about the practical. So thank you children.